Okay. Oh, right. So, what happened to me? Well, remember how I said about my CTT, how one of the bolts came out? Well, it turns out what happens is that I think the threading of them are messed up, basically. So I need to re-thread them, because what happened exactly was this. Alright, I give you a chance, but you didn't took it. Oh shit, that's oil. Sun's leaking from right here. That's definitely not gas. I'm not sure you can see that, but all my oil literally just came out. Well, not all of it, but it was coming out from the CCT and everything. So yeah, man, I haven't ridden on a bike for a while. It's been like what, 2 weeks, but it felt like years. I miss riding a bike. That's slippery. Oh yeah, another funny thing is that my idle adjust screw literally just came right out. I don't know why, and I don't know how. But I'm now going back in there to find out again. It just has a really poor idle, really. That's literally just about it, honestly. Because it's been revving up to like right here, but it just revs up to right there, right below 1K. So yeah, that's something I need to get fixed. Oh yeah, and also about the pit bike video. Soon, very soon, I'll be making videos of that again. You know, it's in years, but that's because, you know, I'll be going without a job and everything. Now, well, not now, because pretty soon I'm gonna get a job and everything. So, soon, I'm gonna be getting a job, and then I can fix this bike, which is that screw. I'm not sure what's wrong with it. Honestly, it could be, I could have installed on the, all I know, I could just put it back on, really, that's about it. But for the pit bike, I can finally buy some things for it that I need to make it up and go running. So yeah.